If Gabbar Singh had asked his iconic question in today's India, कितने आदमी थे? The answer would be 1.4 billion and counting. But in 2025, the question has evolved. It's no longer about fear, it's about potential. With over 65% of our population working and the median age being 28, India isn't just asking कितने आदमी थे. We are asking कितने आदमी बनेंगे innovators, job creators, skilled professionals and global leaders. India is young, really young, sitting in a demographic goldmine. But here's the catch. If we don't skill, upskill and reskill our people, this opportunity could slip through our fingers. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, in line with Viksit Bharat 2047, has released the Draft National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2025 and is seeking feedback. The draft policy starts out with the vision and principles guiding the policy. It focuses on 15 core strategic areas and lays out some key enablers to build a robust and future-ready skilling ecosystem for the country. Some of the key ideas that the policy is based on include outcome over output, inclusivity, a global outlook, a digital-first approach, and a flexible regulatory framework. Some of the things that the policy will do include integrating skill education, deepening industry co-ownership, and preparing India for global opportunities. To make it work, the policy relies on enablers like 1. Building a digital infrastructure and improving physical infrastructure by developing new centers of excellence. 2. Encouraging outcome-oriented financing by expanding credit guarantee and better data for loan underwriting. Thirdly, skill-based jobs are often considered to be less prestigious due to various societal biases. To change this perception of such jobs, the policy aims to rebrand these jobs using words like skilled experts to reflect expertise. 4. Using key performance indicators, third-party assessments and audits, surveys and field visits to evaluate implementation of the policy. It also talks of the creation of a policy implementation unit to track and keep implementation on transparency. Currently, the policy is just a draft and is open to feedback. Head to the given link and share your views with the ministry today.